Hi everyone, welcome back to Kaleem Motors. Today we are talking about one of the most exciting supercars ever created, the incredible Lamborghini Revuelto. This car represents a completely new chapter for Lamborghini because it combines extreme performance, futuristic technology, and hybrid power into one breathtaking machine. The Revuelto replaces the legendary Aventador, and Lamborghini has taken everything people loved about that car and pushed it even further to create a true masterpiece of engineering. The Lamborghini Revuelto is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine combined with 3 electric motors. Together, this powerful hybrid system produces an incredible 1,001 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, over 1,000 horsepower in a road-legal Lamborghini. This makes the Revuelto one of the most powerful production Lamborghinis ever built. The hybrid system is not only about power but also about efficiency and instant torque, giving the car lightning-fast acceleration. When it comes to performance, the numbers are absolutely insane. The Lamborghini Revuelto can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just about 2.5 seconds. That is faster than many race cars. The top speed of this beast is over 350 km per hour. Thanks to the electric motors placed on the front wheels, the Revuelto also has advanced all-wheel drive capability, giving it incredible traction and stability even during aggressive driving. Now let's talk about the design because Lamborghini never disappoints when it comes to styling. The Revuelto looks like something straight out of the future. It features sharp lines, aggressive air intakes, and a dramatic aerodynamic body that improves both performance and cooling. The iconic Y-shaped LED headlights give the car a unique identity, while the low and wide stance makes it look extremely powerful and planted on the road. Every angle of the Revuelto screams speed and performance. The aerodynamic system of this car is also highly advanced. Lamborghini engineers have redesigned the airflow around the body to create more downforce and stability at high speeds. The rear wing, side air channels, and sculpted body panels all work together to improve performance. In fact, Lamborghini claims the Revuelto produces significantly more downforce than the Aventador, making it more stable and sharper in corners. Moving inside the cabin, the Lamborghini Revuelto introduces a completely new interior design that focuses on technology and driver engagement. The cockpit features a fully digital driver display, a large central touchscreen, and even a display for the passenger. This means both the driver and passenger can interact with the car's systems and enjoy the experience together. The interior design still keeps the fighter jet inspiration Lamborghini is famous for, with sharp lines, premium materials, and high-quality carbon fiber used throughout the cabin. Another interesting feature is the driving modes. The Revuelto offers several driving modes that allow the driver to adjust how the car behaves. You can drive it in fully electric mode for short distances, hybrid mode for balanced performance and efficiency, or unleash the full power of the V12 and electric motors in performance mode. This flexibility makes the Revuelto not only incredibly fast but also surprisingly practical for daily driving compared to older Lamborghini models. The carbon fiber chassis of the Revuelto is another major innovation. Lamborghini has developed an advanced carbon fiber monocoque structure that is lighter and stronger than before. This helps reduce weight while improving rigidity and safety. A lighter chassis means better handling, faster acceleration, and improved efficiency, which is extremely important for a high-performance hybrid supercar like this. The sound of the Revuelto is also something very special. Even though it uses hybrid technology, Lamborghini has kept the emotional V12 engine that enthusiasts love. When you press the accelerator, the V12 roars with a deep and powerful sound that reminds you why Lamborghini supercars are so exciting. The electric motors simply add extra punch and instant torque, making the experience even more thrilling. Now let's talk about the price. The Lamborghini Revuelto has a starting price of around $600,000, which is roughly over 17 crore Pakistani rupees depending on taxes and import costs. Of course, many buyers customize their Lamborghinis with special colors, carbon fiber packages, and luxury interior options, which can easily push the price even higher. The Revuelto is not just about luxury and speed, it also represents Lamborghini's future. This car shows how the brand is moving toward electrification while still keeping the powerful V12 engine alive. Many car enthusiasts were worried that Lamborghini might abandon its iconic engines, but the Revuelto proves that the company can combine modern hybrid technology with traditional supercar excitement. Another impressive feature of the Revuelto is its advanced suspension and braking system. The car uses high-performance carbon ceramic brakes that provide incredible stopping power. Whether you are driving on the highway or pushing the car on a racetrack, the braking system ensures maximum control and safety. The suspension system is also tuned for both comfort and performance, allowing the car to handle sharp corners while still being smooth enough for everyday driving. Overall, the Lamborghini Revuelto is a true technological masterpiece. It combines breathtaking design, a powerful V12 engine, advanced hybrid technology, and incredible performance to create one of the most exciting supercars in the world. It is not just a replacement for the Aventador, it is a completely new generation of Lamborghini that shows where the future of supercars is heading. If you love exotic cars, extreme performance, and futuristic technology, the Lamborghini Revuelto is definitely one of the most exciting vehicles ever created. It proves that even in the age of electrification, supercars can still deliver incredible sound, thrilling performance, and jaw-dropping design. Thanks for watching Kaleem Motors. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing supercar reviews like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the channel. See you in the next video. Car Fire.